The trend Inflatable Wedge. Ideal for installing doors, cabinets, appliances and windows. The perfect tool to lift, hold, protect and separate. It features reinforced high frequency welded edges for durability and long life, a curved corner for easy insertion, and a safety valve for fail-safe use. It can be hand or foot operated with a latex pump and metal valve for durability and ease of use. The inflatable wedge makes it easy to remove, repair and hang heavy doors. It will support loads of up to 135 kilograms or 300 pounds. Made from non-marring, heavy-duty TPU, it's extremely strong, durable and leaves no marks. Quickly and accurately level uneven surfaces. Why struggle hanging doors when the inflatable wedge makes it simple, quick and easy? The trend inflatable wedge, the perfect tool to lift, hold, protect and separate.